Do you know who he is? He is Baby Panda Poo. Now, Baby Panda Poo is always very hungry. He eats just everything and anything he can find. And obviously, his mother always scolds him for this. So, finally, the mother has no option but to keep all the food over the shelves. So one day, his mother went to the market and kept all the delicious food, the cookies, cakes, sweets, everything on the shelf. Now, Baby Panda Poo was a very smart panda. He just found this ladder and he thought that he will climb up the ladder and reach the shelf and find all the cookies and cakes and eat them up. So that is what he did. So see, Baby Panda Poo climbing step 1, 2, 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, and then step 9. So he climbed up the ladder. This is the first step, that is step number 1. From step number 1, he climbed to step number 2 and reached a higher level. Then, as he climbed from step 2 to step 3, he went further high up the ladder. So, we see that as he is climbing up the ladder, the number of steps is increasing. That is, the step number is increasing. So, 2 is more than 1. So, step 2 is higher than step 1. 3 is more than 2. So, step 3 is higher than step 2. 4 is more than 3. So, step 4 is higher than step 3 and so on till step 9. So, when we count, if a number comes after, it is more, and if a number comes before another number, it is less than that number. Similarly, over here, as we move from step 1 to step 9, we are moving high up the ladder. Or we can say that Baby Panda Poo is ascending the ladder. He is ascending the ladder or climbing up the ladder from a lower step to a higher step, that is from the smallest number, which is 1, to the largest number, which is 9. So similarly, arranging the numbers from the smallest to the largest is called arranging in ascending order. So we are required to arrange these numbers in ascending orders. So we have 4, 1 and 2. Now ascending means, so when Pooh was ascending the ladder, he was going up the ladder, that is from the smallest to the biggest number. So he was ascending up the ladder. So now even we need to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the biggest. So how do we go about it? So let's take 2 numbers at a time and try to solve it. So when we have 4, 1, 2. First let us take these 2 numbers, 4 and 1. So can you tell me which is more? Is 4 more or is 1 more? Just recall that while Pooh was climbing the ladder, step 4 was higher than step 1, right? So 4 is more than 1. So 1 is less than 4. So 1 will come before 4 and we write 2 as it is. Now let us compare these two, 4 and 2, right? So between 4 and 2, which is more? Well, 4 is more, because step 4 was higher as compared to step 2. So 2 is less than 4. So let's rewrite it because we need to write the smaller number first. So since 2 is smaller or less than 4, we write that first. Now once again, let us compare these because we haven't yet compared these. So we have 1, comma 2. Now which is lesser? Is 1 lesser or is 2 lesser? Well, 1 is less than 2. So 1 will come before 2, which is what we have. So this is the correct order. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order 1, 2, 4. If you want, you can verify it by counting. So let's count 1. So yes, 1 comes first. 2. Yes, 2 comes after 1. 3, 4. So yes, 4 comes at the end. So this is how we can arrange any given set of numbers in ascending orders. Now can you try and arrange these numbers in ascending order? Once again, ascending order means, remember, ascending means climbing up the ladder. That is from lowest to the highest, smallest to biggest number. So let's write down the numbers. We have 10, 9, 13 and 4. Let's take 2 at a time. So 10 and 9. Now which is more? 10 is more than 9. So 10 will come after 9 when we are arranging in ascending order. So let's write it down. 9, comma 10. And we write the other numbers as they are. Now let us consider these two. 10 and 13. So which is more? 13 is more than 10. So 13 should come after 10. Well, that is what it is. So we go to our next combination. 13 and 4. Now which is more? Is 13 more than 4? Yes, 13 is more than 4. So it should come after 4. So let's write it after 4. So 9, comma 10, comma 4, comma 13. Now earlier we had compared 10 and 13, but now 4 has come in the place of 13. So I need to compare 10 and 4 as well. So between 10 and 4, which is more? 10 is more than 4. So 10 will come after 4. So let's rewrite this. 9, comma 4, comma 10, comma 13. Right? Now once again, earlier we had compared 9 and 10. Now 4 has come in place of 10. So we need to compare this. Now 9 is more than 4. So 9 will come after 4. So let's rewrite this with 4 before 9. So we write 4, comma 9, comma 10, comma 13. Now once again we have 4, 9, 10 and 13. So now let's verify. Is 4 less than 9? Yes. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. Is 10 less than 13? Yes. So yes, this is the correct ordering of numbers according to the ascending order. This is the correct arrangement. So 4 is the smallest, 13 is the highest, and this is how the numbers are arranged as per the ascending order. Now, this is baby Pooh relaxing and sitting on the shelf after having all the cookies. He was really very happy. And then it struck him that he needs to come down as well, of course. So he climbs down the ladder from step 9 to step 8, then to 7, 6, step 5, step 4, step 3, step 2, and step 1. So he climbs down the ladder from step 9 to step 1. So he moves from a higher step to a lower step, that is 8 is less than 9. Then again 7 is less than 8 and he moves down. 6 is less than 7, so he moves down. 5 is less than 6, so again he moves down, and he keeps on doing it till he reaches the bottom. So this is Pooh moving down. And moving down means Pooh is descending the ladder. That is, he is climbing down the ladder from the highest step to the lowest step. So down means from highest to the lowest, from biggest to the smallest. The arrangement of numbers from biggest to the smallest is called descending order. So remember this D of descending and D of down, right? So D of descending means D of down. So when we are going down means we need to arrange the numbers in descending order. So here we need to arrange the given numbers in descending order. That is from biggest to the smallest. So let's write down the numbers. 2, 5, 1, 8. And let's compare in pairs. So 2 and 5, which is more? Is 5 more? Yes, 5 is more than 2. Now we have to write in descending, that is from biggest to smallest. So 5 should come before 2. So let me write 5 before 2 and the other numbers as it is. Let's take the next pair, 2 and 1. Which is more? 2. So 2 should come before 1. So 2 is indeed written before 1. So this is already in the correct order. Let's compare this 1 and 8. So which is more? Is 1 more or is 8 more? 8 is more, right? So 8 should come here. So let's write it down. 5, 2, 8, 1. Now 1 and 8 have interchanged places. That is 1 has come at the end and 8 has come at 1's place. But earlier we had compared 2 and 1. So now I need to compare 2 and 8 as well. Between 2 and 8, which is more? 8 is more. So 8 will come before 2. So 5, 8, 2, 1. Once again 2 and 8 have exchanged their places. So I need to compare 5 and 8 as well. Now between 5 and 8, which is more? 8 is more, right? So 8 will come before 5. So let me write it down. 8, 5, 2, 1. And now just check whether it is arranged as per the descending order. How do we check that? Well, start with the first number, 8. Then 5. So is 5 less than 8? Yes. 5, 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yes. 2, 1. Is 1 less than 2? Yes. So this is the actual arrangement of numbers in descending order. So this is the given numbers arranged from biggest to the smallest. That is, we are going down. Right? So now, can you arrange these numbers in the descending order on your own? Once again, arranging in descending order means going from the biggest to the smallest. So let's see the numbers. 9 and 12, right? Which is more? 12 is more than 9. So we need to write 12 first and then 9 and let the other numbers be as they are. Then between 9 and 15, which is more? 15 is more. So 15 will come before 9. Right? So now 9 and 15 have interchanged places. So we need to compare 12 and 15 as well, because earlier we had compared 9 and 12. Between 12 and 15, 15 is more. So 15 should come before 12. So 15, 12, 9, 6 and 10. Now we need to compare 9 and 6. Which is more? 9 is more, right? So 9 should come first. So it is actually written before 6, which is correct. Now this pair, 6 and 10. Which is more? Is 6 more or is 10 more? 10 is more than 6, so it should come before 6. So let's rewrite it. 15, 12, 9, 10, 6. Now once again, 6 and 10 have interchanged places. So we need to compare 9 and 10 as well. Now between 9 and 10, which is more? 10. So 10 will come before 9. 15, 12, 10, 9, 6. Now once again, 9 and 10 have interchanged positions. So we need to compare 12 and 10. So 12 and 10, which is more? 12 is more, but 12 is already written before 10. So we don't need to change anything. Now let's do a check. Is 15 greater than 12? Yes. Is 12 greater than 10? Yes. Is 10 greater than 9? Yes. Is 9 greater than 6? Yes. So we have indeed arranged the numbers in descending order. So this is how you can arrange the given numbers in ascending order, which means from lowest to the highest, and in the descending order, which means from highest to the smallest. So do practice it many times. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, Learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.